Hello, Wezo. Fiayi is the Ewe symbol we're looking at today. My name is Adinya, and I'm here to help all of us to know and learn about the Ewe symbols. Ewe is the language spoken by the people of the Water region, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, and the people of the diaspora. Yes. So we use non-verbal communication too, as well as verbal communication. So if you're new, can you subscribe to the page and turn on notifications so that you get regular updates. Fiayi is the Ewe symbol which symbolizes authority, and it's from the Ewe proverb. Yes. It's from the Ewe proverb. Circumstances compels one to use a royal sword to cut a tree. Yes, the Fiayi is royal sword, okay? Royal sword shows power among Ewe chiefs or royals, and meaning royals of many African countries or cultures. So when anything happens and sent to the chief's house, you know that it's a thing of high magnitude. Yes, you don't just send simple issues to the chief to settle, right? Yeah, from the family and goes to clans and then goes to the chief. Yes, this symbol is not just for chiefs, even though it's made for chiefs. It's for all of us. That will take inspiration from our leaders and take pragmatic steps to our success and to our collective success too. So this symbol shows that you need to use authority sometimes, yes, like the authority have been given. Sometimes we think that it's only older people or people in high positions that need to use authority. No, we are the children of Mao, and He has created us to become gods and goddesses, that we may have dominion over the things He has created. Yes, so for you to have dominion, you need to use authority. Yes, because circumstances are very dire, where you do not need to use the old formula you're using to do things. For Africa to develop or for Ghana to develop, we need innovative leaders. Leaders who are not afraid to change. Leaders who think outside the box. And also you can lead your own life. And you need to use authority. You need to use innovative solutions. Yes, sometimes it might be hard on you, but you need to change. You can't use yesterday's solutions for today's problems. It will never work. Yes, so if you need a new change or need different results, you need to change your formula. Sometimes we want to take the easy way, and so we don't want to, like this, how the same way we're doing it. No, sometimes we are afraid to utilize the power within us because we think, oh, it will be offensive. No, you'll be surprised that it will not be offensive. People will praise you for your thinking, and even if it's offensive, who cares? Once the thing has been done. Yes, sometimes we want to answer to power, and then we want to be bootlickers. No, the fears should be an inspiration to all, especially to change makers, especially to people who command, who make changes, not just in their lives but around them. So Fiayi should be a source of inspiration to all of us, especially the African youth who wants to make a change, who is being laughed at by his peers because they think he can't make it. He's taking an uncharted path. No, be the change. Take the road not taken, and you will see that others will follow as you go forward today and in your daily lives. Make decisions without fear, without favor, and you marvel at the power within you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned today. If you love what you heard, share with others. Yes, make it kind of messy. They preach the word. Yes, share the word. Yeah, just if you want God to hear, if you want mouth to hear, speak it to the wind. So let's see, we are speaking it to the wind. I want everyone to hear, we want everyone to know about the reverse symbols. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification if you've not done so. And thank you so much. Bye.